Today we'll be showing you one of the quickest and easiest ways of joining either polybutylene, polyethylene or copper piping. How, you ask? With one of these incredible Twistloc fittings. In this case, a 28mm coupling which we'll use to join some PEX barrier pipe and a 15mm coupling to join some copper. That said, they come in a variation of sizes and shapes to suit your hot, cold or central heating needs, all of which we sell on our website. How convenient. So first off, loosen the nut until you can see the green indicator ring. As you can see, these fittings are designed so that they can be fitted using just your hands and require no tools or wrenches to fit. Then, make sure your pipe has an insert to create a strong seal. Then slot the pipe in until you can feel it stop at the centre point. Now simply tighten the nut back up to lock the fitting, making sure the green ring is no longer visible. This important process seals the joint even further, both in terms of leakage as well as the actual strength of the connection. And it works exactly the same on metal fittings, such as this copper pipe. Just unscrew the fitting, slot the pipe in until it stops and tighten the nut back up. Easy. Removing the fitting is just as simple. All you need to do is loosen the nut, then press the collar in whilst pulling the pipe out. Inside, you can see that the fitting contains an O-ring and spacer that work in tandem to create a watertight seal. Then, if we look closely at the collet, we can see it has a row of metal teeth that are designed to bite down on the pipe and hold it in place. In this animation, courtesy of Pixar, we'll show you how it works. When the pipe is pushed into the loosened nut, the collet is forced against it, and the metal teeth we showed you dig into the pipe. As you screw the nut back up, the teeth are pressed into the pipe even more, and the collet squeezes the spacer against the O-ring. This creates the seal, meaning that once all these parts are locked into place, no liquid whatsoever can escape the fitting. When you loosen the nut to take off the fitting, pressure is taken off of the collet, and the teeth loosen their grip. Pushing the collet in loosens the teeth even more, allowing you to easily take the pipe out. And that's basically all there is to it. Like I said earlier, these fittings come in varying shapes and sizes. And as it happens, we sell them all. So scroll down to the description and click the link to our website.